Real talk. Being serious too soon is the fastest way to make things awkward. Not because women don't want commitment, most people do. It's because intensity without connection feels heavy. Here's the hook. If you've been leading with big feelings, future plans, non-stop deep talks, you might be pushing her away, without meaning to. Let's bust the myth. The myth says, if I'm serious, she'll see I'm mature and lock in. But seriousness isn't the flex you think it is. It often reads as pressure. Pressure triggers second thoughts, and second thoughts kill momentum. So what actually works? Lightness. Not games, not apathy. Lightness. The energy of I enjoy you. I'm curious, I'm good either way. Here's the reframe. Lead with vibe, not vows. Early on, connection beats commitment talk. Laugh more. Tease gently. Share stories. Ask better questions than how was your day? Keep the tempo playful. Switch locations on dates. Add small surprises. Do activities that make conversation flow. Mini adventures beat sit-down interrogations. Show interest, not investment. Interest is, I want to see you again. Investment is, here's our 5-year plan. Interest pulls, investment pushes. Too soon. Hold your frame. You've got standards, a schedule, and a life. Keep them. When you don't drop everything, you signal self-respect. Way more attractive than over-prioritizing too early. Flirt more. Explain less. A smile, a playful challenge, a well-placed pause. That communicates more than a speech about your intentions. Be present, not performative. Put the phone away. Notice details. Mirror her energy. If she opens up, slow down and listen. Earn seriousness. Final takeaway. Don't be serious with a girl. Be sincere. Sincere is playful, present, and respectful. Serious can wait until you've both earned it. If this helped, breathe, relax your shoulders, and plan one low-pressure, high-fun date this week. Keep it light. Let connection do the heavy lifting.